guys, Paul here at Paul Phillips Fix. Thanks for tuning in. Alright, I greatly appreciate it if you give a like and subscribe, or a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. Today's just a quick video. It's 6 or 7 weeks since I had my crash on my BMW K1200R Sport. First time I've been able to move the bike out. I got really banged up, so I ran wide in a turn, ran off the road. This is what happened to the bike. The bike actually did better than I did. I broke the right directional off. I got a replacement for that. And this air scoop is not sticking there too well. A piece of the plastic cracked that retains that. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get that to stay in there. I'm hoping that this damage that took place, I will be able to sand this out, repaint these panels, touch the tank up, and I don't even know if the engine is banged up yet, and I'm hoping the radiator is not cracked anywhere. I'm lucky I even made it home on the bike. A friend of mine had to help me get on it, and he definitely had to help me get off of it because the adrenaline started wearing off, and I started feeling that I got hurt really bad, guys. I couldn't even use a bathroom by myself for over 3 weeks. So to do the directional, you're going to need a T30 Torx. This is one bolt here, and a Phillips head screwdriver to open your directional. You're going to have to open that up to put the new one on there. Got the replacement turn signal in my pocket somewhere here. Here it is. I'm going to put gloves on to not touch the bulb because the oil from your skin will make the bulb go dead prematurely. So if you can avoid touching that, do so. Let me put my gloves on. I'll edit this wasted time out. Oh, this whole fairing piece popped off. Or the piece that it clicks into on the tank. I'm going to have to remove that and reset that on there. That's knocked out of whack. These are things I'm just discovering now because I didn't even get a chance to go over the bike and really look at it. I think these are T25s to take this off, correct? Yes, T25s. So let me put my rubber gloves on. This is the first time I'm trying to do a YouTube video with my new Hero 10 camera. I bought the Hero 10 Black 10, and I kind of liked my Hero 8 Black better. The GoPro Quick app will not even download these videos, which is kind of stupid. Their camera, you'd figured they would work with their app, but they don't support it on PC anymore. I guess everybody's doing everything on their phones. I prefer to do it on the PC. That's where I have my graphics program. I use DaVinci Resolve 17 Studio. I love that program. Very powerful video and audio editing program. So you just take your new directional. You're going to have to run your wires through here. I'm going to fix this to the bike now. Then we'll connect it to the bulb assembly. You don't have to go crazy tightening that. That's probably just going into a small body clip. Then your two wires are going to have to get connected. Let me try to do this out of your way. thought I was going to have to pull a bulb out of here. I was wrong with that. I could have done this actually without the gloves, but I don't want to leave my fingerprints behind. And that's a directional replacement. Now we just got to put the lens cover on and that screw. That's it, guys. That's a turn signal indicator on your BMW K1200R Sport after you crash. So I think I may take this over to the car wash and wash it off and see if I notice any more damage. This sucks here. I'm gonna have to ride this without this on here. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to repair that. I'm not gonna buy that whole piece of plastic just for that little lip. There's got to be a way I can get around that. Actually, it doesn't even look like it broke. Maybe this cone is just deformed from when it was shoved in there. It was shoved in there pretty badly. Might have just got deformed. See if I can bend it back. Now it looks like something cracked there because it's got a little notch on there where it's supposed to catch, and there's nothing there for it to catch into. So something had to have cracked. Doesn't look broken to me though. Maybe there's a clip that goes in. Oh, you know what? Maybe this is throwing it out of whack because this is knocked out of kilter there. I'm gonna have to remove this panel, reset it on right. Let me show you where it's out of whack over here. See that lip there? That's supposed to fit under this panel, and it's above it. So when this took the impact, it jarred it out of place. Well, guys, that's it. I guess I'm going to take it over to the car wash and clean it up. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again, and hopefully I'll have no more crash videos to make. I didn't like that very much. It wasn't very much fun, and it seriously hurt me. For 3 weeks, I was in absolute agony, man. And I can take pain. I suffer chronic pain issues. I'm not a crybaby. I was seriously fucked up from that accident. So I got cocky, I got stupid, and I paid the price. These motorcycles are serious business, guys. They're not toys. I treated it like it was a toy, and it bit me in the ass. So ride safe out there, guys. Take good care of yourselves. We are only given one body, you know. I could have broke my neck. My neck is still seriously fucked up, and so is my lower back. So be careful. If anything, this is a safety message, guys. Ride safe out there, please. Don't kill yourselves or hurt yourselves or anybody else. Take good care of yourselves, take good care of your bikes, and take good care of your families. See you soon. Bye-bye. GoPro, stop recording.